Everyone, I welcome you to this session. In previous session, we have seen that how to add bibliography to your text document using .bib file. Today we will see another approach of adding bibliography to your LaTeX document. So let's head back to our text document. Over here we can see that we have written bibliography in curly bracket ref. So ref.bib file is there from where the bibliography will be taken. Now suppose that you have tried using this .bib file but somehow you failed to include the bibliography. So not to worry, there is a very straightforward and simple way to include bibliography in your LaTeX document. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, I will comment this section and then I will write inside begin the bibliography and end bibliography. I can mention all my references. So suppose these are my references. I will copy these references and paste it in between begin the bibliography and end the bibliography. Now in front of begin the bibliography, I will add a curly bracket and I will pass a parameter, any number parameter. Then suppose this is my reference number 1. Over here I will add backslash bib item and then I will pass a string which will be used for citation, that is R1. Similarly, I will add a bib item at reference number 2 and I will name it as R2. Now you can name this citation as per your convenience. Just to demonstrate you, I am writing it as R1, R2, R3. Again I will add bib item and I will name it as R3. Now let's quickly compile this code and see what we can get in output. So once you will compile this code, you will see that the reference heading will appear on your screen and you will get reference number 1, 2, 3. So now let us add reference number 4 as R4, reference number 5 as R5 and reference number 6 as bib item R6. Now again compile this code. Okay, you will see that all the 6 references will appear on your screen. Now suppose you want to refer these references in your document. So for that you will write, suppose you want to refer it over here, for example over here, then what you will write is you will write R1. So it will cite reference number 1. Now let us quickly compile this. Okay, so you will see that reference number 1 will appear over here. Similarly, you can cite reference number 2. So over here I will write R2, save it and compile it twice. Then you will see reference number 2 will appear over here. Similarly, you can refer R3. Suppose we will refer it over here, R3, and again let us compile. So reference number 3 will appear over here. Okay. Now these references are active. If you will click on it, it will move to the it will take you to the reference section. Okay. So in this way, this is a very straightforward way to add references in your LaTeX document. Okay. But basically you should first go for the BIB file. If you somehow fail to do so, then you can use this straightforward approach. Okay. Now remember one thing, including bibliography in this way will include the bibliography very similar to that we are in BIB we were using a bib style plain. Okay, that's why you can see that the third reference will appear first, the later on first and second. Okay, now what you can do is, again you can place this document in a file. How? You will cut it, you will create a new file, You will paste it over here. You will save it with references.tex. Okay, I will save it with references.tex, not with pib. And then inside the chapter I will save this references.tex file. I will save. Now the next part is I need to call it in main file. So I will write input chapters references.tex, and now we will compile it again. So you will see that the reference.tex file will be included in your document, and it will show the results accordingly. Okay, so this is another way of writing bibliography in your LaTeX document. I hope this will help you to include bibliography in your LaTeX document. There are basically two ways that we have seen over here, right? Thank you. Have a good day.